All right, guys. Next part of this repair was one of the horns got punched up and it had broke the foam loose. But we also see here wasn't really great glued, so no big deal. Easy repair. So what you're going to want to do is come here to the back side. Got a little bit of tape there. Now again, what I did is you can see that this was broken right here. All I did is came over to where there was actually a little crack generated, and that's how I found where to stop. So you're going to want to leave everything on there as best as you can. Another trick that I learned with Gorilla Glue years ago is I put it in boiling hot water. It makes it very, very thin, much easier to spread, so you're not putting too much and adding too much weight. So now that we've got that warmed up, we're going to put a little bit of water in there. We're going to spread a little glue in there. Again, trying to be careful about not adding too much. The great part about Gorilla Glue is it's going to expand here for us. So we want to coat that really liberally. We're going to want to get the wood piece. Oh, this little chunk of foam fell out. Just going to go ahead and put that right back into there. It's amazing how runny it gets with just a little bit of heat. And then it also just doesn't hurt your bonds. Using any kind of alcohols and things like that to thin it, in my tests in the past, it has really hurt the strengths of the glue. So that's the reason heating it is the key. So once we have that pretty coated.
I lost the screen.
It's okay, it's still going. So give it one more quick spritz. Now wherever it's wood on wood, I do like to use a wood glue because it's going to chisel off a little easier. This also helps stop it to kind of just hold it down in the where I want it to. So just a little bit of wood glues right there. And we're just gonna push this right back down in there. Ooh. Quite broken up, but you won't even see it once we're all said and done. So we're going to add a little wood glue to that. You know, I use a lot of CA and then I use a lot of wood glues. Anything with this super spongy foam and these ARFs, try not to ever use CA like over top of a crack, because if it gets down in there, unless it's, you know, foam safe CA, you're going to cause yourself a lot more harm than good. So, okay, we'll clean this up. I'm going to put just a titch of tape over this. I'm going to set a weight on this so that it holds it down from lifting up. And then come back, sand it off, get it covered, get it all done. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, it's been a couple of days on the elevator repair. We went ahead and gave it a light sand. I'm really happy with it. It's very strong again. Once you cover it, you should never ever see it again. So thanks again. Thanks for following along. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys.